Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your library selection on Audible. So, once you open your Audible application on your phone, you want to go to the library. And now, as you can see, we have these selections in the top part of the application. And now we can even select the order of this selection. So now let's go to the profile and let's go to the settings, which is in the top right corner, this icon right here. And now by clicking to the library, we can go to arrange sections. And now, as you can see, we can change the order. So let's leave the all as first. Now I want to have maybe podcasts, then I want to have audiobooks, then maybe this is going to be authors, and series is going to be followed by after authors. So now let's click save and go to the library. And now, as you can see, we do have changed the order. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.